Good morning, everybody. What's going on, crew? Hope the people on here are having a good day. It's raining here in Florida, Northeast Florida, and I'm on my dirt road, getting out, getting some. Even when the glorious God of ours wants to water our plants for free, that means get out and get some for free. Life's too short on earth to waste this gratifying experience. So remember, earth's temporary, eternity, and heaven's forever. Get out, live life loud when you can, hug your family when you can, and God bless you guys. I'm out. Live life loud.